Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We are on day number 6 guys of my holiday menu. I had a little interruption, but I am back and I got me a nice crock pot full of collard greens and ham hock right here. Working smarter, not harder. So we're going to jump into this video and I'm going to show you how I get this done. Alrighty guys, so this thing is going to come together quick. Longest thing is just waiting, letting it cook in the crock pot. But right here I got me a couple pieces of ham hock and I got me some smoked pigtails. Not going to use all of that, just maybe 2 of this I'm going to put inside of here. And I got me some greens already ripped apart right here. I don't cut my greens guys, I just rip it. Then I'm going to give that a good wash up. Get everything ready to go in my crock pot. And you're going to see that right here. Got my meat down in there already and just put enough water to just barely cover it guys. That crock pot doesn't, the water doesn't evaporate a lot, so, and I don't want a lot of liquid in my collard greens. I'm not one of those people that like a lot of pot liquor guys, so I just got enough water to just barely cover it. Then I just added some black pepper. That smoked meat has salt in it, so I'm not going to add any salt yet. Then I just came in and put my greens on the top. And that was it. If you guys like onions and bell pepper and all of that stuff in your greens, by all means, knock yourself out. But that's not me. I just like plain collard greens with my smoked ham hocks or pigtail or whatever. But in any case, just cover that with the top. Set it on high for 8 hours. Probably not going to let it go that long, but in any case, set it on high for 8 hours, and then I'm going to be back maybe about halfway through the process. Alright guys, so let's see where we are at. Get some of that steam out of there. This was after 6 hours guys. Yeah, 6 hours. I let this go on high. And then we're going to come in here and just move this around so you can see I got all of that pot liquor down in there that you guys like. That's why I didn't add that much water, because I know it's still going to hold all of that liquid I put in there. This is that small ham hock and that thing is already tender. Look at that. I just got this old flimsy spoon right here instead of getting my wooden spoon. But you can already see how that's just nice and tender already. Let's come down in there and that's that pigtail. We're going to get that pigtail up on the top. That's looking tender. Then we're going to just push those greens down there. I want those greens to cook a little bit longer. So we're just going to push it down and side of that liquid just like that. I'm going to let that greens finish cooking for the last 2 hours. Oh boy, look at that. That's absolutely tender. The ham hock just pulls apart. Look at it. That's all of the meat right there. Absolutely beautiful. Come in here. If anybody wants the bone, somebody might want to nibble on that bone. That's the bone right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix that back down inside of there. Get that greens down inside of that pot liquor and let those get nice and tender. And at this point I did check the seasoning and it didn't need any salt at that point. But I did end up adding just a little bit more at the very end. I added a little bit of salt, a little bit more pepper, and a little bit of sugar, because sometimes my greens will be a little bitter to me, so I like to counter that with just a little pinch of sugar. But get that covered back and let that go the remaining 2 hours. When I come back, this thing is going to be done. Alright guys, this is it right here. This is the final product. Look at that. What a beautiful crock pot full of nice good collard greens and ham hock. And I don't want to disturb it too much because I wanted to use this picture right here to set up for my thumbnail, so didn't want to mix it up too much. But that's that nice pot liquor that you all like. dip your cornbread in, and your hot water cornbread and all of that. But you can look at that greens and tell that's an absolutely tender collard greens right there. And I'm not going to do a taste test, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and get this thing ready to go in the refrigerator and cool down, because I wasn't going to be eating it right away or anything like that. So no taste test with this today, guys, but this is an absolutely wonderful pot of crock pot collards and ham hock. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest, Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I am definitely going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace. Have a great week, everyone.